The i5 M60 xDrive has a high-performance electric powertrain that delivers 750 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful models in the BMW 5 Series range. Thanks to its impressive power output, the vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.6 seconds. This model features BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system for improved handling and traction. The vehicle also boasts a substantial electric range of up to 700 kilometers or 435 miles, according to the WLTP cycle, depending on the driving conditions. The i5 M60 xDrive has an 87 kilowatt-hour high-voltage battery, which can be charged up to 200 kilowatts at a fast-charging station. BMW's eDrive Zone service automatically switches the vehicle to purely electric driving mode when it enters an urban low-emission zone. A new multi-contract option allows customers to store up to 5 individual plug-and-charge-enabled power contracts from different providers in the vehicle. The car comes with Adaptive Suspension Professional as standard, featuring electronically controlled shock absorbers, integral active steering, and new vertical dynamics management. Light alloy wheels in 18-inch or 19-inch sizes are standard for the i5 and plug-in hybrid models. Options for light alloy wheels up to 21 inches and performance tires are available. Inside, the vehicle features the new BMW eDrive with Quick Select and BMW Operating System 8.5. There is also an option for the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, which includes the BMW head-up display and augmented view on the control display or instrument cluster. The new BMW 5 Series Sedan, including the all-electric i5 M60 xDrive model, brings about significant advancements in design, performance, and technology, building upon BMW's reputation for luxury and driving pleasure. The 5 Series Sedan's exterior aesthetics have been thoughtfully refined, featuring a larger, bold kidney grille and slimmer LED headlights for a striking road presence. The luxurious interior, featuring BMW's new curved display, enhances the driving experience with high-quality materials and a sleek, driver-focused layout. The i5 M60 xDrive is a standout model, boasting impressive performance and eco-friendly credentials. Equipped with a 5th-generation BMW eDrive technology, it offers 3 electric drive modes: hybrid, electric, and sport. It also comes with an improved charging experience featuring the Comfort Charging System. The vehicle can be comfortably and conveniently charged at home, and for on-the-go charging, BMW Charging provides access to a vast worldwide network of public charging stations. The new 5 Series Sedan includes a multi-contract option, a digital feature that allows customers to store up to 5 individual plug-and-charge-enabled power contracts from different providers in the vehicle. This feature offers flexibility and convenience, ensuring customers can easily access their preferred charging services. Beyond the electric model, the new 5 Series lineup also includes petrol and diesel engines equipped with 48-volt mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency and performance. A new 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission is now standard across the range. The car's driving dynamics are equally impressive. The sedan's characteristic balance between sportiness and high-level long-distance comfort is enhanced thanks to the longest wheelbase in the upper mid-range vehicle segment, increased track widths, an almost perfectly balanced 50-50 ratio axle load distribution, and increased body and chassis connection rigidity. The 5 Series Sedan also features advanced partially automated driving technology. The highlight is the optional Driving Assistant Professional, which includes steering and lane control assist and distance control with stop-and-go function. In certain markets, it also includes the Highway Assistant and unique Active Lane Change Assistant with eye confirmation, offering a unique blend of comfort and control. BMW eDrive with Quick Select and BMW Operating System 8.5 enhances the user interface, offering an intuitive and seamless interaction. Functions can be accessed directly without having to switch to a submenu, making navigation quick and efficient. The vehicle's in-car entertainment system is state-of-the-art, debuting in-car gaming with the Air Console platform. Furthermore, BMW Operating System 8.5 enables video streaming and offers a wider range of digital content for information and entertainment. Lastly, the new 5 Series Sedan introduces Proactive Care, a new platform for exchanges with customers when car servicing is required. The focus is on recognizing the vehicle's service needs, also by using artificial intelligence and proactively offering solutions to the customer, demonstrating BMW's commitment to comprehensive and responsive customer care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.